Okay guys, so in the last video we have created this menu, and now in this video we are going to create post template for our all blog post. Okay, so to do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down, go to theme, DiVi theme builder. Now we will go ahead and create a custom body template, and as you know that we are using this for all our blog posts only. Okay, so we will be creating template for our post only. Okay, and this template will not appear on our pages. So let's go click and build custom body. Okay, so if you want, you can choose different templates, pre-made templates, but I want you to learn DiVi theme because it's really powerful. So I'm going to create completely from scratch. So click on start building. So here is our first row, and in our first row we will use a full width. Uh, okay, yeah. So and we will not put any item here. So let me before we start building anything in here, let me show you what we are trying to build actually. So it will become easy for you to see what we are doing and why we are doing it. Okay, so let me go to single blog post. Okay, so here is our single blog post. As you can see, there is full post on this page, and here down below there is comment section. Okay, and and on the right side bar, right hand side, you can see widget area, and above here there is a different widget area. Okay, so both widget areas are different and you can put different items here. Okay, now, and here we have title, and the title is over a background image. Okay, so we want a background image and we want this column to overlap this row. Okay, so this is exactly we are going to build, and I'll show you how you can build it, and even more if you want to customize it even further, you can do it. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So here is our first row. So we are going to use this first row to create this area. Okay, so let me go ahead and add our title here, and we'll search for title, post title, add our post title here. Then click on element. Now you can use any element here, whatever you want. So if you don't want to show title, you can disable it and it will disappear. Likewise, if you don't want your meta tags meta to appear here, you can remove it, but I want it. So I don't want to show date, and I'm good with category and good with comment, so let's leave it there. And I don't want feature image to appear. Okay, so if you want feature image, you can use it, and you can decide to put it above title or below title. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'm not using it for this video, so I've removed it, and let's save it for now. Okay, so we have saved it. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to put a background image. So you have to go to click this section and click on background, and here first of all we want to select a background color. Okay, so here we have background color, and we want to customize it and a bit transparency. Okay, so we are good. Now we want our background image, so click on this area, and now click on here and upload a background image. So you can drag and drop any image here if you want. So let me drag and drop this image. And okay, so our image has uploaded, so click on upload image. Okay, so now you can see image. Okay, but we want image to blend with the background color, so let me show you how to do that. So now first of all you want background image cover and background image position to top center. That's good. And now we want our background image blend to darken. Okay, so that's how to do this. Now we want to change the color of our post title here. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So hover over here and click on this gray icon and click module settings. Now you want to go to design and click on title text. Now you can change fonts from here. You can make it bold and then you can change the color. Okay, so here is a title. Now you can also change the size. Okay, so we have changed the size and let's change the letter spacing as well. So if you have a long title and it's in 2 lines, then you will be able to see these changes. So now let's come down to meta tag and everything is good, and let's just change font and scroll down and maybe change the color as well. So I want this. No, it's very dark. I think that will work. So yeah, let's save it. So that's how you can build the title just like this, the way we have created. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to create another section for our post content. So let me show you how to do this. So we'll create another row, regular, and this time we will select this one. Okay, yeah, and now here we will put post content. Okay, so here is our post content. Now here we will add a sidebar and save it. Now go to sidebar again and go to design, layout, and close this, show this separator. No, we don't want this separator, and save it. Okay, now let's go ahead and make it here, and we want this column to overlap this. Okay, so first of all, go to your row settings and change the background color so you can see the difference, that how it's making the difference. Okay, how things are changing. Okay, so I think we are good. You can see the different color. Now here we want to go to our row. Okay, and we want here, and we want to go to our spacing, and we want to change our spacing to 0, and then we want top margin. Okay, we have to go into a negative number to be able to reach here. Okay, so we are above here now. Let's make some more changes. We want border, and we'll go with 10 maybe. Yeah, you can see the curve here. It is from this 10 pixels, and I think that's it. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to do some padding for this content here as well. Spacing, top padding, I think we can make it. Okay, leave it for right now. Let's once we will see some preview, then we'll make changes to it. Okay, so let me make some changes, and We don't want border here because it's bothering and it is 0. Okay, we have made it 0 and let's change the padding here. 0, top and bottom. Let's go and border 10. Okay, now you can see the changes here on the both sides. Okay, let's save it. Now we want to make it bigger. Spacing, and we want it to be 60. I think that's it. I think. Yeah, let's save it and now adjust it again. Spacing. Yeah, I think that's good enough now. Okay, so that's how to do it. Now what we want is we want to put a background here as well. So make sure you edit this sidebar, okay, and put a background color here on the sidebar. So it's white and we want some padding now. Go to spacing and make 20. Like we don't want anything on the margin. Okay. 20. The left side we want 10 or maybe 20. I think you can see some changes, and let's make it round and we want it 10. Okay. Okay, so that will work. So yeah. Okay, so that's how we have created this. Now we want to add a comment section below here as well. So search for comment. Now if you want to customize your comment section as well, you can do that as well. Add a background color to it, go to design and go to spacing, then make it 20. Left right you want padding as well, 20 padding, and let's go to border and you want to make it 10. Okay, so now our comment section is looking good as well. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Now let's go ahead and save it and see how it's looking. Make sure to save changes here. Let's go ahead and refresh and check it out. Okay guys, so here is our section. Okay, now you may be wondering that why it's looking weird and why it does not have a background color. It is because we haven't put any background color here guys. So it is really important for you to remember that where you are making changes and how your site is looking. So if you don't edit the right option, you will not see the right changes. Okay, so let's go back and click edit. And now come here in this section and put the background color as white. Okay, save it. Okay, so we have saved it, and let's put same margin. We want to see what is the margin here on the sidebar, and we will follow the same structure. So 20 20 20. Okay, so we'll follow the same structure here as well. 20 and 20. Okay, let's save it once more, and let's see how our website is looking now. Okay, so now our website is looking good, and this is exactly what we were looking for, as you can see here, right? So if you want to increase some more paddings and if you want to make some more changes, you can do it. Now let me show you how you can add a different sidebar here, which is separate from this one. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So let's go again and go to your theme builder and edit it. Now let's increase some paddings here. Okay, design spacing, you want it to be 60, I think, or maybe, yeah, I think it will go with 60 or 40. Let's go with 40 right now. Okay, so save changes, and here we want it to be exactly same. Go to spacing and click on 40. Okay, so top and bottom padding is 40. Okay, let's save it. Now to put another sidebar, you have to just duplicate this sidebar, duplicate it. Now make it background, go to background and remove it. Okay, save it. Okay, so here you can see a different design of the sidebar. Now we will how you can put a different item here on the sidebar. I'll show you in a minute. For that you have to go ahead and create a different sidebar in your widget settings. We'll do it later on. So for now, let's save the setting and see it in our browser. Let's refresh it. Okay guys, so we are done with this. So now our website is looking good. So here you can add any content here on your website and put anything here on the sidebar as well. Okay, so before we end guys, so let me show you how it is affecting all the other pages. So if you go on blog, you will see the same boring template because we have not assigned it to our blog page, right? We have assigned it, as you can see. Wait, let me go back. As you can see here, when you click on it, we have assigned it to all post. Okay, so apart from this, you can see default template on all other pages. You will see this template only on all posts. Okay, so if you go on any post, you will see this template. Okay, right? So apart from this, these posts, you will see some boring content on your page, all other pages, right? So now what you can do is you can save it. Okay, now if you want it to appear on all your pages, what you can do is you can just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now it has become global body. Okay, global body template. So let's save it. Now once we refresh, okay, so now you can see this template for all your pages, right? Now whenever you create another page, you will see the exact template, and this is all your pages and blog posts will be designed. But now guys, we don't want our pages to look like this. We want our pages to stand alone and look differently. So this is what we are going in our next video, where we will create a separate template for all our pages. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.